Hello, and welcome to the Client Tutorial 12. In this tutorial, we will learn about the spatial model reports inside the EDS client. The spatial model reports are located on the spatial model screen on the last tab titled Alarms and Reports. To activate the part of the screen's reports, click on the third radio option named Aggregate Alarm Reports. To generate a report, mark the Dates checkboxes and pick a timeframe using the Dates controls. Afterward, select a report from the list. The generated report will be displayed under the Aggregate tab below the radio controls. The filters below also affect the reports, like the alarms. This means clusters, measurements, and stations can filter every one of the reports. There are 14 types of reports. Report 1. Object Parameters Configuration. Report 2. Learning and Validation Dates. Report 3. Total Count of Spatial Events. Report 4. Total Count of Events displayed by pairs. Report 5. Total Count of Events for clusters. Report 6. Total Count of Events per measurement. Report 7. Events count per site type. Report 8. Pairs versus triplets alarms. Report 9. Time distribution for events in minutes. Report 10. Objects Advanced Parameters. Report 11. Detailed Events List. Report 12. Events count per day. Report 13. Average and standard deviation of actual and predicted values. Report 14. Sum of events per object with a count of events that exceeded soft and user limits. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.